Ainazaki. Ainazaki. Welcome to my Hausa class. Today we'll be making sentences with where. Aina. Where. Ainazaki je. Where are you going? Referring to female. Hausa has male, female. So where are you going? Ainazaki je. Ainazaki je for male. Ainazaki je female. Ainazaki je female. Ainazaki je zaka je male. Ainazaku je more than one person. Ainazaku je. The next sentence is where are you? Na kike for female. Aina kake for male. Aina kuke for more than one person. Aina kuke. Ina gurin aiki. Ina gurin aikin. Ina gurin aikinka. Where is your workplace for male? Ina gurin aikinki. Where is your workplace for female? Ina gurin aikinku. Where is your workplace for more than one person? You could simply say ina gurin aiki. Ina gurin aiki, where is the workplace? Ina gurin aiki, where is the workplace? Where is the market? Where is the market? Ina ne kasuwan? A ina ne kasuwan? Ina ne kasuwan? Where is the market? Kasuwa, market. Where is the market? Ina ne kasuwan? Ina ne kasuwan? The next one is, where is your house? So you say, ina ne gidanka for male. Just you will notice I say ka, ke, and ku. So ina ne gidanka, ina ne gidanka, ka, ina ne gidanka for male. Female, ina ne gidanki, ina ne gidanki. So for more than one person, maybe siblings, you ask them. So you ask, ina ne gidanku, ina ne gidanku. The next one is, where did you keep it? Where did you keep it? Ina ka ajiye mun shi. Where did you keep it? Ina ka ajiye. Aina ka ajiye. Where did you keep it? So you could also say ina ka ajiye shi. Ina ka ajiye shi. So ina ka ajiye mun. Where did you keep it for me? Ina ka ajiye mun. Me. Ina ka ajiye mun. Where did you keep it for me? Ina ka ajiye shi. Where did you keep it? Remember, I still say ka. So ka is for male. But you want to talk to female. Ina kika ajiye. Ina kika ajiye mun shi. Where did you keep it? So more than one person. Ina kuka ajiye mun shi. Ina kuka ajiye. Where did you keep it? Ina kuka ajiye. The next one is, where is my shoe? Ina takalmina. Takalmina. Now, me, you're referring to myself. Ina takalmina. Ina abunchina. Abunchina, my food. Ina abunchina, where is my food? Ina abunchina, where is my food? Ina wayata, where is my phone? Ina wayana, where is my phone? Ina sabuluna, where is my soap? Now you can see that I've repeated ina, where is. Ina takalmina, where is my shoe? Ina sabulu, sabulu is soap. Ina sabuluna, where is my soap? Ina takalmina, so you can put ina anything. Ina what, ina that. Ina ruwan, where is the water? Ina ruwan, where is the water? Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.